Masayang ibinahagi ng celebrity mom na si Ellen Adarna ang naganap na trick or treat sa kanilang subdivision ngayong Halloween. Makikita sa bidyong ipinost ni Ellen ang kanyang mga anak na sina Elias at Liana na nakasuot ng kani-kanilang mga cute na costume kasama ang kanilang mga yaya habang masayang nag-iikot sa mga bahay para sa trick or treat. Ito ang unang Halloween experience ni Baby Lily na talaga namang naghatid ng tuwa at saya sa kanyang murang isipan. Kitang-kita sa video ang kasiyahan ng mga bata habang nakikihalubilo sa ibang mga bata sa kanilang komunidad. Samantala, ibinida rin ni Ellen ang kanyang bagong negosyo, isang high-tech coffee shop kung saan isang robot barista ang nagsisilbi ng mga inumin. Ayon sa actress, ito raw ang kauna-unahang konsepto ng ganitong uri ng coffee shop sa Pilipinas. Binati naman si Ellen ng kapwa niya celebrity na si Karen Davila na nagpahayag ng paghanga at suporta sa bago nitong business venture na ngayon ay mayroon na ring ilang mga branches.
Hi, I'm Ellen Adarna and we are at Clip Center here in BGC, and this is where you can find one of the branches of Ella Coffee. Let's go! So guys, this is Ella and she is the Philippines' first robot barista.
One way to order is through the screen. Tap, choose your drink, check out, and you're good to go. Super easy and convenient. Now look at Ella. You can actually watch her make your drink, and in less than 2 minutes, my drink is ready.
So my pandan tea latte is done, but we have to scan the receipt so we can claim the drink. And they also have an app where you can order in advance just in case you're in a rush, so you can just pick it up and then you're good to go. So once you're done ordering through the app, you will get the QR code, and that means that your coffee is done. So you just have to scan it and it's done. So I'd like to invite everyone to check out Ella, the robot coffee barista. It's very fast, reliable, consistent, and convenient. And you can check out their branches. I'm Ellen, and this is Ella, and we can't wait to see you again. No, I thought you were... Okay.